How to lock Netflix profile. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can lock your Netflix profile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So maybe you might just want to have this kind of lock whenever somebody else tries to access your profile. You have this specific pin code, right? So what do you do if you want to go ahead and then add a lock to your own profile? For this, open up your browser and just go to netflix.com. Then just tap the three lines option here and then just go to account option. Once you go to the account option over here, what you want to do is just scroll down, select profile and parental controls, and the one that has a lock icon next to it indicates that it is already locked. So choose a profile that is not locked and that you want to lock over here. Then once you do that, over here you'll find profile lock. Currently it is set to off, so then you can now just tap the change option here. Once you tap the change button, you can simply enter your Netflix account password first of all to verify, tap and continue. Here you can see require a pin to access this profile. So we're going to just check that box here, and now we can simply choose a pin that we want this profile to have over here. Once we've done that, we can tap the save option, and then this profile will get locked next time whenever you open or reopen the Netflix application. This way you'll be able to basically lock your Netflix profile. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.